Hi, Pinky artists! Today, we're drawing Gerald Giraffe. Gerald is the tallest character in Peppa Pig. He can see things from way up high. Are you ready? Let's go! Gerald is a little shy but very friendly and loves to play with Peppa and her friends. Did you know that giraffes only sleep for a few minutes at a time? About 4 to 5 hours a day. Giraffes have special long necks to help them reach leaves on tall trees. Gerald has spots all over his body, just like a real giraffe. Gerald's eyes have opened. Hi, Gerald. Gerald is enjoying exploring its surroundings. Did you know? A giraffe's tongue can be as long as 20 inches. They use it to grab leaves. Giraffes can see really far because of their height, so Gerald probably notices things before his friends do. Even though he's tall, Gerald still has to bend down to drink water, just like real giraffes. Gerald's favorite thing to do is play with his friends, but sometimes he's a bit clumsy because he's so tall. Gerald might be tall, but he's still a young giraffe, so he loves playing games. Look at that amazing Gerald Giraffe! Let's make him look extra friendly and fun. Now, it's time to color him in. Grab your crayons or markers and let's start coloring. What do you like most about Gerald Giraffe? Is it his super long neck or his cute spots? I think both are great. Do you think Gerald would be good at playing hide and seek, being so tall? Where do you think he could hide? If Gerald could do anything fun, what do you think he'd choose? Maybe he'd love to play with his friends or eat some tasty leaves. Imagine Gerald is with Peppa and her friends. What games do you think they'd play together? Tag or maybe a tall tower building game? Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Do you think he'd feel braver if he had a friend with him? Who do you think would make a good friend for him? If you could ask Gerald one question, what would you ask him? I'd like to know how it feels to be so tall. Gerald loves exploring. Where would you take him if you were his adventure buddy? Maybe a playground or a picnic spot. Gerald's favorite food is leaves. What's your favorite food? Do you think Gerald would want to try it? I think he will. Do you think Gerald likes to draw too? What kind of pictures do you think he'd draw? Cool! Gerald Giraffe looks fantastic with all his spots and that bright smile. Share our drawings and tell them all about Gerald Giraffe. Great job today, Pinky Artist. I can't wait to draw with you again soon.